talk. Chanelle talk. Chanelle talk. Hey Chanelle, what you talking about?
Today I'll be using Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette, and I'm going to start out with the color Semi-Sweet and use that as my transition color. And I'm just going to take a blending brush and blend that in really good. And if it's too light, just keep adding more until you get your desired color. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Milk Chocolate, and I'm going to take that above where I started my transition color just to blend that in for a gradient look and no harsh lines. You do not want harsh lines when you're applying eyeshadow. No ma'am. Next, I'm going to take the color Triple Fudge. It's a dark brown color, and I'm going to blend that into my crease. And I'm just blending away, blending away. Now I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. If you have hooded eyes like me, take it a little bit above your hood. If not, you won't really be able to see the shadow look. Now I'm going to go in with the color White Chocolate, and I'm just using this white color to set where I apply the concealer when cutting my crease. And you can set it with any powder. If you have some translucent powder or banana powder, it doesn't matter, just as long as you set it. Also, make sure it's dry before you start to apply your lid shade. Next, I'm spraying my brush with a little finishing spray just to get it a little moist. I'm going to be using Creme Brulee. It's like a gold shimmery shade. And I find that when I spray my brushes, that it helps the shadow stick to it more. It's easier for me to apply that way. Excuse me. This is Maybelline liquid liner, and this is what I'm using to do a little wing liner. I was feeling a little fancy. Now I'm going to take some Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte Foundation. It's in the color 360. And I'm just going to get an applicator brush and apply that all over my face. I'm going to take this stippling brush by Real Techniques, and that's what I'm going to use to blend in my foundation. Now I'm taking my concealer and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, some on my forehead, Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and a little on my chin. And I'm not using very much because I'm doing a little basic everyday look and I don't want to do too much. In this case, a little goes a long way. And I'm blending that in with a beauty blender. Next, I'll take my Sacha Buttercup banana setting powder, and I'm going to place that everywhere that I put the concealer for the highlight. and I am gonna leave it there to bake for a couple of minutes. While that's baking, I'm gonna go in with True Complexion contour palette, and I'm gonna take the darkest shade, and I'm gonna brush that along my hairline, the hollows of my cheek. And this is called contouring. It brings color and warmth back to the face. Now I'm brushing off the banana powder. I don't know if you can hear my daughter in the background, but she's being silly. And I'm just blending, blending, blending. Contouring my nose with that same contour powder. Blending it in with a nose brush. Going in with some CoverGirl finishing powder. I'm just going to brush that all over my face. Now I'm going to spray with this NYX Finishing Matte Setting Spray. Fan it a little bit so it dries. I'm going to use some drugstore Maybelline mascara. I didn't apply any lashes today because I'm going for a real basic look. And I applied that to my bottom lashes as well. I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip liner. This is some Butter Gloss by NYX. Can't see the color, but it's like a little sheer pink color. I'm just going to apply that to my lips. And we all done.